As analysts managed to find out, the successor of the iPhone SE smartphone will have an updated antenna system, which will provide the new product with better wireless signal reception. Courier Technologies and Murata Manufacturing are known to be suppliers of communications components. Production of the iPhone SE2 starts in early 2020. It is also reported that the production of a new generation of the most affordable iPhone will start at the beginning of next year. Thus, we can expect that the device will go on sale in the second quarter of 2020. Previously, there was information that the new product will be put on the iPhone 8. The name of the iPhone SE2 should not be considered final. It is possible that it will be called iPhone 8 or even iPhone 9.